Guys, in this video we will see how to fix application.exe has a stopped working error on Windows 11 and Windows 10. If you are also facing such type of application error, then the first and initial workaround is restart your system. Sometimes a simple restart can resolve various issues of your computer, so you must apply reboot your system. And after that, go to the various other methods. Go to your problematic app. For example, we will try it on this app and right click on your problematic app which having error, application error, and choose properties. Right click on app and choose properties. Here from the top menu bar, go to compatibility, and here make the check against option run this program in compatibility mode for. Thereafter scroll down and make the check against option run this program as an administrator, and finally click on apply and OK to save the changes. Means run your problematic program with administrative privilege. After that, check whether your error is application error resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Open control panel in your system, and here control panel will now open. Here go to system, click on it. It will open in Windows settings page, and here scroll down and you will find the option advanced system settings. Click on it. A new window will open. Here go to advanced tab from the top menu bar, and under performance click on settings. Here from the top menu bar click on data execution prevention. Click on it, and if you found already enabled turn on DEP for essential Windows program and services, then change this option. Make the check against option turn on DEP for all programs and services except those I select, and click on OK. And after some times again make the check against option first option turn on DEP data execution prevention for essential Windows programs and services only. Click on apply and OK to save the changes. After that, close the windows, restart your system, and check whether your application.exe error resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes, right click on a start button and choose settings. Here from the left sidebar, scroll down and click on privacy and security. From the right side, choose Windows security. Here click on virus and threat protection. A new Windows security page will open. Here click on scan options, and here you will find 4 options. Here choose full scan, and finally click on a scan now button. Scroll down and click on a scan now. It will scan your system for any malware or virus attack and try to fix application.exe error. After that, check whether your application error resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes, right click on a start button and choose device manager from the context menu. And here from the available all your driver list, look for any problematic drive having yellow color exclamation mark. In my case, no any problematic device driver. So if you found any, simply right click on it and choose update driver. How do you want to search for drivers? Choose search automatically for drivers. So choose any problematic device driver having a yellow exclamation mark and update it. And check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Right click on the start button and choose settings. And here from the left side, go to apps. From the right side, choose installed apps. And here look for your problematic app. That app having error, simply in search box type it And if found, simply click on three horizontal dot against that problematic app. For example, we will see, click on three horizontal dot against problematic app and choose advanced options. And here scroll down and you will find the option reset. If this app is not working right, we can try to repair it. The app's data would not be affected. And if this app still is not working right, reset it. The app's data will be deleted. If repair and resetting not fix your issue, then uninstall that app and reinstall a fresh version of that problematic app. That's all.